Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech feature. At for sure, kakatapos nyo lang manood ng Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2025. At wala tayo sa ibang bansa, no? We're here in the Philippines, no, for this feature. At dito tayo ngayon sa munting event ni Samsung Philippines na featuring the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series na eto na, nasa aking mga kamay. So, heto siya. We're going to have a short feature about these phones. At ang SRP din niya, makikita nyo na rin din yung information nito. At also, yung features niya, i-discuss natin to sa inyong lahat. Alright? So, this is the Samsung Galaxy S25. And this one is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. At syempre, ito yung pinakang halimaw sa lahat. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Ito siya, napakaganda. Ang difference lang nito is hindi na siya edgy, no? More on rounded na yung kanyang shape. Medyo magaan siya compared to S24 Ultra. The grip, okay lang, parang the same na rin din. At parang medyo makapal din siya ng konti, no? Medyo siya makapal siya. Pero mas maganda, mas medyo lightweight, no? I guess for holding it, no? Parang mas comfy ako using this. Baka dahil sa itsura niya, ano na siya, rounded na yung kanyang edges. Alright, so before I do a hands-on test with this awesome Samsung Galaxy S25 series, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga features na itong bagong unit nila, no? For this year 2025. Sakto, no? S25 2025 tayo, ang year natin. Alright? So, discuss na natin. Let's do this. Alright, no? Isa sa mga pinakamagandang feature ngayon ng kanilang Samsung Galaxy S25 is mas pinaganda pa nila yung AI feature nito. Compare from last year's model sa S24 series nila, the AI is much more advanced. Kasi kanina, nag-demo nung kanyang AI erase. Mas maganda na siya, mas mabilis, mas accurate na. Hindi ka mukha dati nabibilugan mo. Ngayon, parang tap mo lang at yung isang object may scan kagad siya at madali siyang ma-delete, no? At marami pa silang mga AI features like the meron silang audio erase, no? Yung audio erase is very interesting, no? Pag nag-record ka ng video tapos may mga noises kayo na naririnig, meron siyang parang AI audio erasing feature na natanggalin niya yung noise ng crowd, for example, or maybe other voice or maybe your voice. Hindi ko pa na-try, parang mamaya tatry natin yan. Also, meron din sila yung kanilang circle to search feature. Meron din, mas advanced rin din niya. Very interesting din dito yung you can create a GIF video from another video. For example, may nakita kayong video sa YouTube, no? Gusto niyo malaman yung music niya, you can use the Samsung Galaxy S25 feature to search for that music. Galing, grabe, no? Yun ang feature ng AI nila, tsaka yung kanilang yung button na yon na pag-activate ng mga AI features ng Samsung Galaxy S25. So sabi nila this year daw, mas pinalakas nila yung kanilang hardware and also the camera. For the CPU, no, gumagamit sila ng Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy. At sabi na dito is the best in class chipset. So yan, very excited ako dito, no? At dahil diyan, maganda na rin din yung performance ng S25 series nila sa mga gaming kasi meron siyang 40% increase daw sa performance at meron silang utmost gaming optimized Vulkan average FPS daw 18% yung tinaas ng performance niya. Okay, this is very interesting, no? Kasi di pa ako nakakapag-try na mag-gaming dito sa S24 Ultra ko from last year kasi much more on content creation siya. But for if ever we got a hand of the S25, tatry din natin to for gaming testing din. For the S25 series, meron silang tawag na enlarged vapor chamber at ito yung kanilang heat dissipation architecture na technology. At para maiwasan yung pag-overheat ng phone, no? So may maganda siyang kumbaga technology na may siyang tailored TIM for extra thermal efficiency only for the Galaxy S25 series. So ibig sabihin pala nito, ngayon lang ata nila ito nilagay from the last model yata, parang wala. I'm not sure, no? At for the kanilang superior Galaxy AI camera, meron daw itong 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Meron siyang night photography for video, 10-bit HDR audio eraser na mention ko kanina, Galaxy Log, virtual aperture for photography, adding bokeh for example, AI generative edit at portrait studio. Yung for their Galaxy AI camera, mas pinaganda pa nila. Maganda rito, no? For the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, yung rear camera niya is 50 megapixel. It's a triple camera, no? Triple rear camera. 50 megapixel ultra wide at merong 200 megapixel na wide siya at 50 megapixel ng telephoto. Oh my God. At kaya-kaya niya mag 100x zoom and also macro shot para makita niyo yung mga close-up details ng device ng subject ninyo sa Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Grabe, laki. Ay na maganda rito, no, in-upgrade pa nila yung megapixel. Parang every year napansin ko, no, yung camera specs ng every S series nila, mas lumalaki yung megapixel. Ngayon naman 50, 200 tsaka 50. Grabe, no? At ang share nila dito, meron siyang next generation Pro Visual Engine, less noise daw and more details. So mga low light condition, mas pinaganda pa yung kanilang performance ng kanilang camera. Meron siyang double analysis noise removal, custom STF to distinguish between moving and stationary objects. So I guess iniiwasan niya yung mga blur effect, no, sa mga pag-take ng photos. Sabi na turning a moment into a memory. Yung for the video naman, they called it the Pro Grade Video Quality for All, featuring the fine-tuning features. Ito yung meron silang pinataas na 10-bit HDR feature for the camera at saka yung kanilang audio eraser, no, for the video, no. You can post-edit yung mga video niyo, removing parang mga sawag nila audio bumps. Audio bumps yung mga audio bomber na mga unwanted sounds. For example, I'm vlogging at merong hindi naka-on yung aking noise reduction. Ayan. Naka-on na yung noise reduction. Hindi nyo naririnig yung music. Naku, mga copyright tayo nito. Ayan, naka-on na yung noise reduction. Parang gano'n, no? Pero yung ginagawa ni Samsung Galaxy S25 is aalisin mo yung audio bombers doon sa post editing na at using the parang AI feature niya. At meron siyang tinatawag na virtual aperture, which is parang DSLR-like na control, no? You can adjust the aperture, tapos you can take pictures na may mga bokeh. Yan ang gusto-gusto ng mga tao, yung mga bokeh. At may tatawag sila ditong Galaxy Log. Sabi dito, it can spot overexposed areas using false color or zebra pattern. Can record a dynamic range for vibrant true-to-life videos. At meron siyang exclusive LUT. Ako, pang editing to. So, ito ata yung pwedeng gamitin for videography or filmmaking, no? Yan, yung mga LUT na yan. At for the AI features ng camera, they have the improved generative edit, which yung kumbaga yung picture gusto mo mag-add ng object or background, mas pinaganda na nila yan. At meron sila ditong portrait studio, yung kanilang creating portrait or a photo into animation style, cartoon style, artwork or pencil style. So, mas pinaganda pa, pinabilis pa nila yung kanilang AI photo editing. At sabi dito, no, S25 nila, it's the most thinnest Galaxy ever na mayroong 15% decrease from the S24 Ultra. Kasi makapal yung S24 Ultra, ito naman, mas pinaliit pa nila yung bezel. Slimmer and thinner bezel daw. So, looking at it, oh my God, oo nga. Ito, kita mo yung sa bezel niya. Oh my God, oo nga, totoo nga. Grabe. So, it's rounded daw at much more lighter, which is na-test natin kanina. Totoo nga, mas lighter siya compared to the S24 Ultra na ginagamit ko. At ito, medyo mas magaan pa talaga. At ang pinakamaganda rito, the S25 is equipped with the Corning Gorilla Armor 2 glass yung sa kanyang screen. So, it has a 29% resistance to fractures at 60% less screen damage repair. Compared to the 24 series nila, 24 Ultra, mas patinatibay nila nga ito ngayon sa S25 Ultra nila and also 25 series. At meron siyang impressive drop protection and scratch resistance plus next generation DX anti-reflection surface treatment. Matibay screen niya. So kanina nahulog ko yung phone. Buo pa. Hindi naman na-damage. Kasi yung gilid niya, it's parang metal eh. Matibay. For the colors, no, si S25 merong navy, icy blue, mint, and silver shadow. I guess this is the mint color. And sa S25 Plus naman, merong navy, icy blue, mint, at silver shadow. And this one is, anong color to? I guess baka navy or, hindi, parang silver shadow. At kay S25 Ultra, meron siyang titanium silver blue, titanium white silver, titanium gray, at titanium black. And this is parang titanium black o titanium silver blue, I think. O titanium white silver. Hindi ko ma-distinguish yung kulay eh. At for the online exclusive nila, merong blue, black, coral red, at pink gold. Wala ko nakikita ano dito. So wala pa pala yung mga exclusive colors nila. And for low light condition daw, in-improve nila yung camera features niya in taking photos in low light. I'm very happy with the S24 Ultra, no? In taking low light condition, napapaganda pa niya yung photo. But ngayon sa S25 series nila, mas pinaganda pa nila yung kanilang low light feature. For example, yung ginawa nila kanina, nakita niyo ba? Low light yan at ang ganda ng output niya. Mas pinaganda pa nila. At for the SRP, ito na yung inaantay ninyo. For the SRP, for the S25, Galaxy S25, 512GB is 60,990. Yung 256GB niya is 51,990. Ayan, ito yung Galaxy S25, no? For the Galaxy S25 Plus, SRP ng 512GB is 76,990. For the 256GB naman is 67,990. Ayan. At syempre, eto na, Galaxy S25 Ultra, SRP niya, here in the Philippines na, 1TB is 110,990, 512GB is 93,990, 256GB is 84,990. Oh my God. Kung ma-afford ko, pag bibili pala ako, no, ito lang pala yung ma-afford ko, yung 256 lang, 84,000 tayo. If I want to get the Ultra. Grabe, no, iba yung grip ko for the 25 Ultra. Mas okay siyang hawakan. Tama nga, compare nung kay 24 Ultra, medyo nangangawit ako, masakit ng hawakan. Ito parang iba yung feel niya. Galing si Samsung mas pinaganda pa lalo. At sharing it, if you're watching it, I'm sure yung mga Samsung fans, ginawa na nila ito, no? Nga, if you're planning to buy the S25 series, meron silang pre-registration offers na available sa website ni Samsung. Meron siyang 3,000 e-vouchers for partial registration at meron siyang 5,000 pesos na e-vouchers for complete registrations. So this is during the Galaxy Unpack registration. So pumunta kayo sa website ni Samsung Galaxy Unpack at mag-register kayo if you want to pre-order at you can get those vouchers. At for the Samsung reservation naman daw, meron 3,000 e-vouchers na plus 500 pesos only. Ano yun? Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung 500 pesos only. Okay. Pag bumili ka ng 500 pesos only, you get 3,000 vouchers. Oh, okay. For the Samsung reservation, Oh, okay. That's interesting, no? So, sa mga pre-orders nila, it's you can get the double up storage na offer nila for the pre-orders. So, yung 256 na in-order nyo, magiging 512. Or pag yung 512GB yung in-order nyo, magiging 1TB yan. Na mura. Babayaran mo lang yung 512 na price and you get the 1TB version, which is parang 50% na yung no? Makukuha yung parang, benefit. And they have a 30% cross-sell offer na Galaxy Buds and Watch. At meron silang 50% off na 1-year Samsung Care. Parang insurance yan. At up to 12,000 trade-in incentive on top of residual value. So I think you can trade in some of your old devices na Samsung, no, to get a better offer. At ito na yung mga inaantay ninyong flexible payment offer nila. Up to 50% off via credit card. 0% installment up to 24 months. For the Samsung Finance naman, up to 6,000 off via Samsung Finance Plus, 0% installment up to 24 months. And syempre, home credit na 2 months free via home credit, 0% installment up to 24 months. Ayan, marami ng offering, no? So I guess, excited na kayo, no? So ang pre-order niya is starting January 23 up to February 13, but they are inviting na mag-register na kayo sa Samsung Galaxy Unpack website from January 8 to 22 to get some of the interesting offering, no? So ang launch nito in the Philippines is in February 14, 2025. At that's Valentine's Day, no? So Valentine's Day may bago kang phone, no? So I guess that's it for our quick feature ng Samsung Galaxy S25 series sila. And let's do a quick hands-on test now with these awesome devices. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, so here's the Samsung Galaxy S25. Napakaliit niya. Napakaliit. So this is the 25. This is the S25 Plus. And this is the S25 Ultra. So makikita nyo yung sizing niya. Oh. From small, medium, and large. Napakaganda ng phone na ito, grabe. For me, yung ginamit ko yung S24, no? For the year 2024, is the best phone ever kasi lahat ng kailangan ko for content creation is andun na. And I'm very confident that S25 is still superior pa rin din for content creators, no? So, ito yung S25 niya. So, check natin. Here's the USB Type-C port, yung kanyang SIM tray, speaker dito, dalawa, volume, tsaka yung power button, and here's the rear camera, may LED flash, at on natin, wow, ang ganda, grabe. Wow. Parang feel ko pa rin, I'm still using the 24, no? Kasi parang napaka fast nung kanyang response nung sa screen Pakaganda, grabe. And still for the camera, so you got 0.6x for the photography, 1x, 2x, 3x, meron siyang 10x, 20x, hanggang 30x. Ano subject dito? Hanggang 30x yung kanyang zoom for photo. At for selfie naman, so kung selfie may parang 1x tsaka yung zoom niya for groovy, no? So okay naman din. At may mga changing of colors din siya. This is interesting, no? Motion photo pala yun. Okay, nice. For portrait, may 1x to 2x siya. So, ito yung parang may bokeh effect. For example, you can adjust the bokeh from 0 up to 7. Pag 7, talagang basag na yung background. Basag na yung background. Nangyari? Yun, basag. Grabe, ang ganda. Also, for selfie, portrait, ayan. May bokeh rin yan. Bobokeh ba? Yun, nagbokeh ng konti. Pero yung sa face ko, very sharp. Very sharp naman. For video, naka-timer to. Para tanggalin yung timer. Sa video naman is, meron siyang 0.6x and you can change focal length, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x, 12x. Ang maganda dito, no, yung video niya hanggang 12x. Okay. Sa iba 10x lang It's very interesting that you can switch to the front camera while recording. Yan yung pinakang gusto ko talaga sa phone ni Samsung. And you can also take photos while you are recording. For more, Pro video, night mode, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, dual at single take. Ayan, meron siya. At for the video, syempre, no, for the video, it can shoot up to 8K, oh my god, 8K 30 FPS, pero syempre may ano to, hanggang 60 FPS niya is ang 60 FPS niya is parang 4K. 4K 60 FPS meron, kayang-kaya niya. 4K 60 FPS. That's nice, no? Okay, let's move on naman kay Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Medyo much bigger, pero yung mid lang yung yung sizing niya. Mid lang din. Nakagamit na rin ako dati ng 23 Plus. I'm very happy with the performance. Pero syempre nag-try na ako ng 24 Ultra. Okay na rin din. Parang ayoko nang bumaba ng Ultra. Parang gusto ko talaga for this year is makagamit tayo ng S25 Ultra. So ito yung niya, body niya. Here's the camera, rear camera. Parang almost the same din siya with the 25, the small one. Ayan, parang pinalaki lang siya ng konti. Let's check out. Siyempre, okay na okay din siya. Walang problema. Let's check the camera. For the photo, it got 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x, 20x, hanggang 30x ang maximum ni 25 Plus, which is, oo nga, tama nga, naalala ko, hanggang 20. That's for the photo, For the selfie, meron siyang ang groovy, single. Sana ginawa na lang yung 0.6x na lang to, no? Mas wider. Yun yung parang, wish list ko next time. Sana yung front camera ni Samsung, 0.6x na rin, meron na rin din. For the video, here's the video. Oh, may timer to. Nakita tayo yung mukha ko, nakasmile, For video, no, 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10 to 12x lang. Parang yun nga, 12x, same with the S25, hanggang 12x lang yung video niya. Ay na kasi, yung sa 24 Ultra, kaya niya hanggang 30x for video. I'm not sure kung tama yung kasi pag dito, sa S25 na, I guess the video is around sana 40, no? Check natin yan. So ito yung ito yung S25 Ultra. Ganda, sarap hawakan, grabe. Malamig. Kasi parang metal So ito yung camera niya, tatlo ba? Yung 50 and also the isang 200 megapixel. Tama. Grabe, intindi, no? So ito yung ilalim niya, USB Type-C port. Siyempre, may kasamang pen. The pen is mightier than the sword. Ayan, kasama siyang pen. At meron speaker dito. It's a speaker. Speaker din dito sa ibabaw. SIM tray. At yung power button at volume niya. Very super ganda. So, check natin. So, ito. Okay naman. Sa camera, doon tayo sa photo, no? Sa photo niya is 0.6 to 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 30x to 100x yung maximum ng kanyang photo. Kasi usually hindi man ako gumagamit ng 100 Kasi medyo grainy rin din kasi siya minsan. Pero baka check natin, no? Mag-take tayo ng photo ng 100, baka sakaling okay na. Ito si Raymond, kuha natin ng picture. Hoy, gumagalaw si Raymond. Medyo malikot nga lang. Ayan, shot. Okay, medyo grainy siya ng konti. Pinifix siya ng AI. Yun ang problema pag 100x Kaya usually hindi ako nagma-maximum Siguro hanggang 30 or 40 lang minsan. For the selfie, meron din. Parehas lang din. At for the video, this is my video, no? Pag nakita ata yung mukha ko, nagre-record talaga siya, no? Parang naka-on yung parang gesture niya. Ayan, gesture niya. Let's go to the rear camera. So, for the rear camera sa video is 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 20x. Hanggang 20 lang pala. Mali pala ako, hanggang 20 lang pala. I guess yung Ultra is 10 ba or 20? I'm not sure. So parang almost the same na rin din pala for the video zoom niya. Ito yung ginagamit kong style if I'm recording a concert. I guess yung 24 Ultra is hanggang 10 lang eh. Ito para pinadoble nila eh. Yeah, I guess parang no. Hanggang 10 lang yung ano eh, dati. Ito hanggang 20 na. Mas malakas na yung telephoto zoom niya. It's very interesting. So same din, they have portrait and photo and some more. The same rin din siya. Ano lang talaga, yung megapixel ng camera yung difference nito. At also yung kanyang size na rin din at yung build ng phone. Alright, so we're still here no sa Samsung preview ng 25 series at I guess it's time to end my video no. At abangan niyo yung yung hands-on test natin once we got any of these devices. Pero syempre kailangan makakuha tayo ng Ultra para sa ating content creation journey for this year 2025. Alright, so that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you so much Samsung for this. Kita-kits tayo ulit. Excited na ako dito.